Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how set line under header word. To start, let's open the Word document. When doing so, double-click on the top to open the header. When it opens, you will go to the Design menu. There, click on Page Borders. In the new window, go to the Borders tab. Select the desired style, line color, and desired width. When doing so, in Preview, uncheck the boxes for the side and top borders. Then click OK. You can see that the line has been set in the header of your Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.